Oh my god. Extra crunchy.
Birthday, caviar, platter.
What's up, young squab? Thank you for joining me today on this very special episode of Delicious Side Quest. What makes it so special? Because it's my birthday. And I got a very, very special birthday gift. Wow, look at this. Caviar. Now, I don't know about you, but whenever I've eaten caviar, you get to have one or two little bellinis, maybe at a party, a little bit of champagne. You have to look like you're not trying to enjoy too many, not get greedy. But this time, I got them all to myself, baby. But it poses a pretty interesting problem. Someone gifts you a tin of caviar. What are you gonna do? You can't just take it out and eat it with a spoon. And that's not really that fun, is it? So join me today as I take care of this gift the way it was intended. This is like when you buy a battery on Amazon and they just ship it to you in a giant box. Gorgeous, steaming. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Caviar Petrosian Paris. I thought this stuff was Russian, but I guess it's a little funky there right now. 50 G's. Might as well be 50 G's. I'm out here eating Doritos for dinner. It's actually given to me by my mother-in-law. Do you know how good you have to be to get on your mother-in-law's good side where she gives you caviar? All right, it's time to stop letting this warm up and get it in the fridge so we can begin our preparation. So the first thing I feel like I have to address is the bellinis. I'm not actually gonna make them. I'm actually gonna make a mini pancake. Reason being is real bellinis take a lot of work. You have to fold in egg whites, you need like buckwheat flour, you need cream, you need a ton of stuff that I just don't wanna deal with. Does anybody else think the pancakes are a scam? Every single recipe online is totally different. They have water, milk, egg, no egg, half egg, oil, no oil. I think if you just make some wet flour, you're gonna be all right. All right, I think the batter's done. It's nice and drippy, kind of smooth. Let me introduce you to the worst funnel on the planet. This thing is a total piece of shit. The funnel's way too big, it's too small, and this size does not fit in anything. I hate this freaking thing, man. Nah, hell nah. Oh, don't make a mess. There we go. I knew it. Funnel worst, this the best. Could they have browned a little more? Yeah. Do they kind of look cool? Blonde? Yeah. Yeah, they do. All right, here they are after the flip. Classy amount of browning. I think it's classy. How sick are these? These look like they need a little bit of caviar on them. You know what I mean? Whack! Hella crazy. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It's a good day. Lift it up and out. Bone for the dog. I like to fling it around a lot. I don't know what the hell. And the seasoning is really easy. Just a little bit of soy sauce. Just a little bit of tiny marin. I don't actually even know what the hell this stuff is. Boop, that's it. Give this a little toss. So once this is nice and marinated, we're gonna be able to move on to the next step. Do you hear this? Listen to this noise. And they're ready to fry, baby. I need this. Yes, yes, yes. These are good. This will make a bomb potato chip. We need these things dry. We're gonna be using oil. I'm not gonna cry. Ooh, almost crunched that one. Oh, okay. We have our main components. We have the blinis, the fried chicken, and the potato chips. All right, so here we are with our 50 grams of caviar, our Stoli vodka, and a nice cocktail to go with it that there's actually ice in. There is ice in there. But first and foremost, let's talk about the blinis. I think they came out really good. They're not blinis, okay? They're pancakes, but they came out really nice. They don't have much flavor on them. It's okay if they're a little plain because the caviar has absolutely everything on it. It's oily, it's salty, and it's got that fishiness on it. Potato chips, impressive crunch. So we didn't get any saggy potato chips. I'm really happy about that. Creme fraiche was $6. All right, the chicken looks okay, but the thing I was going for was totally different than this. Overall, I think it kind of failed. It turned out a little crumbly, a little burnt, and a bit soggy. Overall, though, it still added to the dish because it let me call it dinner. But I want to know what you think. Did I elevate the caviar? Or is this just a plate of potato chips, pancakes, and burnt chicken? Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.